Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am excited. I have a craft that you can possibly do with one of your children, grandchildren, whatever. I just thought these were so adorable. I saw someone doing them on their channel. Please forgive me, this is not my idea, but I cannot remember the woman's name that did these. Now these are not new. They're candy pack charms. They're not new, but when I saw it, I was like, oh, this is cute. I love making cute stuff. I like making stuff you can attach to journals, keychains, all of that. So I'm going to show you how to make one of those. So this is going to be really fun. They normally just make them in this size, but for some reason I had this packet from something I ordered. So I figured I'd make one this size too. And all this is a bunch of little charms and stuff. This is washi tape. I had this washi tape so long. I don't even know where I got it from, guys. I'm sorry. Don't ask me where I got it from. I don't know. But this washi tape I got from the Dollar Tree. This is really, really cute. You better go grab some now before it's gone. Washi tape at the Dollar Tree. So, let's get into the video. How did we make this? So I already have my key ring handy, my little puff ball. Now the puff ball just came out of a pack that I got from Michael's, and actually they were selling those for Easter. I just grabbed a bunch of them because they ended up being like 79 cents. But this candy box I got from Amazon. It has all these cute little charms in here, and we are going to pick a charm. Let's set this aside that matches our little plasticware. You can put anything you want on the inside of these. Let me tell you how big this thing is, because these are really, really small. So that's measuring about 2 1/4, and sideways a little over 1 1/2 inches. Okay, so you get the picture of how small these are. This one is larger, just in case you wanted to make the larger size for anybody really. So these are the measurements, about 3 and then 2, 2 1/2 on that side. So you can really put anything you want in these. They're so little and they're so cute. I love. This is such a cute idea. Now, I know years ago they used to be popular and people used to make them and put different types of stuff in them. And is that lollipop too big? Should we go for something a little smaller? Because I do want a candy pack in there. We could use that one. No, but that one is so stinking cute, though. I love this one. Okay, and then let's try to get like a piece of something yellow. But that lollipop is huge. Yeah, they used to make them years ago. And you used to have to use like a heat gun and do all this other type of stuff to it. Which wasn't bad. It was just, in my opinion, it was time consuming. So, yeah. Let's see. And we want a cute piece of candy in there. Something. I don't want everything blue. Do we want to go with a yellow? Guess we can go with the yellow. I love these things. This is such a good idea. And then I have some fake sprinkles. I want to learn how to make these sprinkles. I want to learn how to make my own sprinkles. These sprinkles came from Amazon, and they were like, I want to say I paid $6 for the pack, and the pack wasn't even full, though. The pack wasn't full. So, yeah, that part. See? You would have thought these would be full to the brim. They're fake sprinkles. So for $6, I think I got ripped off. These are just a pack of beads that I had laying around for years that I know that I'm never going to use for anything. So I just said, I'm going to put some of these in there just to give it a little cutesy. If you're going to make these, make sure you have like a hole punch, something to punch a hole in the, I don't know if this is PVC. I don't know what this is. Punch a hole in the plastic. And see, you got all these little moving parts. I love it. This is so cute. Look at the little star. You can see the face, the star's face. Now, some people put little stuff in the back of it. I'm not going to do that, but I'll probably end up giving this to one of my nieces or something. I don't like stuff hanging around. So I have a crocodile, but you can use a hole punch. I think a regular hole punch might work too. And then we're going to take some more of this washi tape. This one is chunky, y'all. I love it. I love it. Love it. Love it. And where are my glasses? I'm trying to be cute now, putting glasses on. All right. Now, washi tape. I didn't think that you would have to feel around for the start of the washi tape, but I guess you do. I hate when this happens. Where did it end? Okay, here it is. Now see, I messed up the washi tape. Y'all. Oh, I can probably edit that part out. If y'all see that part, that means I've not gotten that good at editing yet. I am using CapCut. CapCut, you guys deserve some type of humanitarian award because you just out here changing lives. Okay, so we want to put that part beautiful. Now, how did I get something on there already? Okay, I want beautiful to show. Now you want, when you're doing this, let's take this off because there's a rip right there. Oh, you know what? I can double it up though. Nah, I don't want to. It's a no for me. Okay, let's start again. Now, you want to make sure that your washi tape is placed a little above because we're going to have to cut this with some ridges. We're going to have to cut it. So I think I want the word beautiful to show. So I'm placing it above so the washi tape can hang off a little bit. I don't know if you all can see that. Washi tape needs to hang off just a little bit. And then we're going to wrap it around the back. And this part you can double up. We'll just take it to the back. Let's make sure the tape is not crooked though. I love washi tape because you can just reposition this sucker as many times as you need. It's so durable and forgiving. Okay, we're gonna cut that off. Cut that off. So that's looking good. Then we're gonna do the bottom. So then we're gonna push the little bits and pieces up so that we can put washi tape on the bottom. I may have made that a little bit too full. because she's looking good and chunky. And remember, you want it to hang off just a little bit on the bottom. Just a little on the bottom, so that we can add our ridges. And then we're going to make sure that's straight. Straight on this side. Nope, see, that's not straight. It should not be this hard to put washi tape on. But if you have sausage fingers like me, it could be a little difficult. Well, we bounce back. See? Bouncing back. These little scissors I got from Dollar Tree just get the job done every time. Dollar Tree, kudos. Kudos, Dollar Tree. Okay, the next thing we're going to do. So these are called pinking shears. These are primarily used to cut fabric so that fabric won't fray. You can also use these. However, I found that maybe these will work for somebody else, but I like the pinking shears. These just cut a little jagged, and the pinking shears get right down to business. They do. They get right down to business. So I am going to position this, and we're gonna cut it. See, the pinking shears are cutting it already. I didn't even try. Cutting it like butter. Again, these are called pinking shears. See, that's not... I might have to put a little glue right there because I don't like the way that's looking. Okay. All right. Lastly, we have our crop-a-dial. So we're going to use the 1/8 of an inch. And we're going to line it up. There's a hole right there. Where's my pokey tool? Ooh, what did I cut with that? Oh, I know, some leather. And then whatever side you want to put the hole on, just go for it. Just go for it. I'm doing it. I'm doing it. Don't cut it too close to the edge, y'all. See how I got it like right on the edge? And then you're going to take your jewelry pliers and open the jump ring. And how you open a jump ring is you hold both sides and you pull one side towards you. You don't open it like that. That will put tension on it and make the jump ring weak. So you pull one side towards you. So we're going to put this on, and we're going to attach this as well to the jump ring. And we are going to close it like so. So of course, if you're bringing one side towards you to close it, you're going to bring it back the opposite way. So now all that's left, isn't that cute? Hey, all that's left is we're going to put, now this part I wouldn't recommend children do. You can use anything to attach this that you want, but I used string because that was the thing that came to my mind first. So what I'm going to do is just stick this in here like that. And I have a knot at the end of the thread. It's going to go up, and it kind of hides, but we can hide that later. We're not even really concerned about that. So then what I'm going to do is push it through here. I'm not putting it on the jump ring. I'm just pushing it through the hole that I cut. So then I'm going to push this back through that same hole if I can, or get it as close as possible. Just leave a little bit of room, just a little bit. You don't need a lot of thread. And then I am going to cut that and tie a knot in it. I'm going to cut it here. Then I'm going to take this and tie a knot, and it won't go anywhere. Again, my nails do not look good. I work on projects almost every day. I'm doing some type of project, even home repair projects. So, excuse my nails, guys. But you didn't come to watch, you didn't come to see my nails anyway. You came to see me create. So, I want to push these in a little bit, and they can be hidden, but I mean, it's not even a big deal if they're if people can see it. It's not that big of a deal, because I mean, it's not. All right, and there we have it, another little cute candy pack DIY. And again, guys, go to the Dollar Tree. These are adorable. I love them. You can make like 5 or 6 of these. These would be cute to do like a little party and have the kids make their own. I love them. I think I'm in love with this size though. I think I love this size better. But because you can put anything you want in there. You can put anything you want in these little packs. So thank you so much for tuning in and watching. I appreciate you guys. If you've not already subscribed to this channel, please subscribe. I'm going to do an upcycle video. I love creating, making stuff, especially DIY handmade stuff. So if you've not already subscribed, hit the notification bell, hit the subscription bell, and I appreciate you. May God continue to bless you. Thank you so much for tuning in.